Hi there, I'm Dave Borian, the site superintendent at the Bloom project. We're here today to give you a bit of an update on where we're at with construction so far. The size of the site as a whole is approximately 230,000, 240,000 square feet. If you see the excavation down there, the first portion that we're doing here is where our stacked townhouses will be. We're slowly working our way around. It's our subgrade for our parking garage. We just finished the main access road to the subdivision. It's called Coneflower Crescent. The completion of the road was critical because when excavation started, we were doing all of our underground services, and if you can see the formation of the road, it kind of cuts us off, or we're limited for access in and out of the site. We have a haul road that's just beside the paved road that we've been using to haul material away. And the completion of this road is critical at this stage because we will be stockpiling quite a bit of the material that's coming out of here for backfill. That section of paving that's left out there is for the excavation of the stormwater management tank. So thank you for watching. I'm Dave Borian, and I look forward to our next update.